Stop lying. Yes, just stop. 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 Just stop lying. That word lie is so bad. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl face Dominic. Okay, in today's video we are going straight to the point. Stop lying. Yes, just stop. 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 Just stop lying. That word lie is so bad. Like, it's very bad. I lie sometimes. It's not because I just feel like lying. It's just sometimes it's just part of us. It's just like part of our living. We have grown to a point that everything about us is just lies. Evil YouTubers, they lie. Evil Christians, they lie. Evil pastors, they lie. It's just why just so much lies? Like, some things that we even lie, but it's not even worth lying about. So just imagine. Come on, how much did you buy this week? Now we just say, oh, I bought this week for 40,000. Why am I lying? What you bought this week for 4,000? It's just common lies, just common things like that. How much you bought this shirt? Oh, I bought this shirt for 6,000. Oh, I bought this shirt for 10,000. Or we should buy it for maybe 500. Common lies like that. And God hates everything about lies. Even human being hates it. Just imagine, I am trying to find out something about my best friend, and I notice that you lie about it for me. I can't call you my best friend if you are a liar. That is just lies destroys family, lies destroy home, lies destroy relationship. So that word lie, it's just part of us, and nobody cares to talk about it. Nobody cares to just, okay, since I'm a liar, why should I be telling people that they should stop lying? Of which even me that I'm talking to you, I'm a liar. Yes, I lie sometimes. It's not because okay, yes, I lie before now, because before I make this video, I've made up my mind that I will stop lying. Yes, I will stop lying. Yes, if you are doing business, it's so common with us. Like, common with us, we just do common lies. Maybe you're supposed to sell this thing for 500, but you are selling it for 700, 800, and you told the customer that I bought it from Onisha, I bought it from the market 500, of which you not buy it like that. So you know, that kind of a thing. Common lies to just make profit. Common lies to just get something for yourself. Common lies to just get little interest that you will even end up spending. Understand? Instead of telling the customer, oh, I bought this from the market 500, of which you not buy it like that. Just tell the customer, this is what I want to sell this thing. This is the amount I'm selling it. How much do you buy it from the market? It's none of your business, because I want to stop lying. Common lies like that. And the other lie that we are so common with oh my god, the common lie we are so common with that maybe someone asks you, oh, this wig is so beautiful, and this wig look like bone straight, right? But it's not actually bone straight. It's not actually bone straight, it's fake. So maybe you look more better than this, and someone actually look at it as bone straight. You know, bone straight is very expensive, and ask you, oh, I love your wig, oh, how much do you get it? You just say, oh, I bought it for 40k, and of which you bought it for 4,000 naira. Common lies like that, it's not so good. Like, it's not good. You sometimes you look backwards, oh god, what have I done to myself? Have I really turned to these great liars? Like, am I a lawyer? Am I a lawyer? Even Bible make us to understand, people that lie in court, they are punished. So some people that are punished in court, maybe two people that have a case in court and both of them are liars, maybe God will just turn it back and allow them to do their own thing, because liar will be punished, even though you are, maybe the other person's lie is greater than yours. as long as you lie in any point, God will just turn his back at you. That is life. That is just life. So other thing I'm gonna put here, I know this is not related to the topic we're talking about, but I just decided to just put it here because this one is very short. I understand, like, if you give, the Bible makes us understand that, God, I'm not a pastor, please don't quote me wrong. You don't even know. Please, I'm just telling you from my own aspect. I'm just telling you from my own point of view. Understand? Not I'm quoting anybody wrong. Understand? Let's talk about doing something right. Doing something right is like, this is Xmas period, and you have workers, you have people around you, you have life that you're supposed to bless, and you don't have money. So, or you have the weight, or you have the money, but giving today is like, oh, I don't want to give to a person. Oh, the Bible makes us understand those are causing the poor. You are actually causing God. just think of it, you are actually cursing God. If you curse poor person, oh, you are a winch, oh, you look like a winch, oh, I don't want to give you my money, so that you take it to the coven. If you curse people like that, you are actually cursing the God that created them. The Bible makes us understand that if you give to the poor, it's like you are borrowing God. You are borrowing God. Just imagine you are borrowing God money. And my interest is high, you. If I borrow you money, my interest is so high. Like, just imagine I borrow God. If my interest is supposed to be 50%, I'll carry it to 100% or 200%. You pay times 2. That is just what God says. That if you give to the poor, you are loaning to me. That I will pay back. Understand? So I now understand what Mr. Beast was saying, that the more you give, the more you receive. So sometimes I wonder, the more you give, the more you are spending more than what you are making in this video. I don't know where it is coming from, but he gave a lot. Understand? Givers never lack. I was thinking, and sometimes I don't even understand that word, givers never lack. Sometimes some givers, you'll be so broke that you don't have anything with you. You are just things that you plant. There are some things that you can invest, buy today and make profit from them today. While there are some other things that you can invest on that you make the profit 9 months time. While there are some things that you can invest on that you make that same profit 10 years time. Just imagine, there are some things that you can invest on that maybe you just want to start up a business that even your children, your grandchildren, they will come and will still be telling you something. That is kind of investment I'm talking about. It's like when you give to the poor, sometimes you will not just get it back instantly. Sometimes you get it back instantly, but have one thing in mind for sure, that God is going to pay you back. Yes, God is going to pay you back. Sometimes most of us, we work so hard to make that money. We work so hard to make it. Sometimes the poor people, they are not really working hard. They just want to work. But when I mean poor, there are some people that need the money, not the person that just come and beg you. Okay, the beg you can give to them, but there are some people that need help. Even without asking themselves, you know that they need help. Those are the people I'm talking about. So if you have the privilege to help such people, do it. I say do it. It does not cost you anything. It will not cost you anything. Just do it, okay? I'm going to put all these things together to make our life better in the year 2022. I understand all these things we are learning. I'm making this video to keep my memory here. Like I said, I'm not just making this video to just attract people or to put people on a pressure or to change their own mindset. First of all, before you start doing anything, if someone advised you, if it's not the kind of person, you don't need to do it. Okay, for me, I just want to rebrand my own life, even my own YouTube. I just want to, as in, stock everything. I used to write things in the book, but I noticed that sometimes going to the book and be reading, I will be tired. I understand. Sometimes just put them. It's easy to watch the video than to be reading. Sometimes you even lost the book that you wrote everything on. You know, that kind of a thing. So make the video, put it somewhere. Maybe when you are done, when you are forgetting about yourself, when you watch back, you will know that, oh yes, I really said this. Oh yes, I'm going to do this. Understand? So this is going to make our life more better 2022. So let's do this journey together. Thank you if you watched to this point. Thank you very much. God bless you, and see you in my next video. Bye.